Ugly Tourist here, and I'm with my pal Ding. You might know us from YouTube hits such as My Honest Opinion After Living 1 Year in the Philippines, or the one she starred in, Made with Benefits. Today, we're going to give a special deal to you guys with fledgling YouTube channels, or for you retirement guys that are coming over with your GoPros. And for you guys that just view, we've got something for you too. We're going to tell you the secrets how these guys get you to watch so long, to watch so many vlogs in the Philippines niche. That's right. Us professionals call it niche. That's right. And if you act now, we'll throw in 10 bonus tips that'll sure get your channel to just get boosted. You'll have so many subscribers you won't know what to do. You won't be able to answer all the comments. That's right, Ding. Anyway, all you have to do to get these bonus tips at the end of the video is like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell now. We'll wait. If you use all these tips and the bonus tips, you're likely to be talked about in the same breath as the Filipina P, Old Dog New Tricks, or the regular guy. This is all backed by the Ugly Tourist money back guarantee.
Oh yeah.
That's right. Based on her research, you will have more subscribers than, if you watch this video all the way through, you'll have more subscribers than you'll know what to do with.
Naglakay ako sa
Ugly Tourist.
Cheers!
nakita ang ganda ng aking mundo. Halina't tumayo.
Shots! So we will do shots later, but...
Hey guys, I'm in my golf cart kit. And guess what? These are the 20 videos you have to do if you're going to be successful in the Philippines expat niche. Yeah, anybody can do it. You can do it from your mom's basement. Let's go. Okay, the first tip for you, the first video you have to do is an LDR video. So you can do this from your mama's basement. You can find a girl online on one of the dating sites, find a beautiful Filipina, bonus points if you get 2. Okay, so the number 2 video has to be where you retire to the Philippines. You're going to sell all your stuff, including your house, your ant farm, and your baseball cards. Bonus views if you cry.
That's where the dining table was. Here's my kitchen. Thing's empty. Dishes went in the cabinets. There's the refrigerator. That's where we put our food. Sink. That's where we didn't clean our dishes. There's the dishwasher. This is my old house.
I cried twice.
Everything must go. All my baseball cards gone. Fire. Fire. Hey, Ugly Tours here. I'm burning. Burn after reading. Yeah, I'm a spy. No, I'm trying to burn all my stuff.
The next one is easy. The next tip is easy. All you have to do is have a meet and greet with your girlfriend. Bonus points if you have 2. All right, so you've got your girlfriend. Now you've got to take her to Jollibee, and you've got to take a taste test as a foreigner. Yeah, you gotta have a yum burger, chicken joy chicken, some spaghetti with the banana sauce. You've gotta do it all, folks. You've got to really immerse yourself in the culture. And the culture of the Philippines is Jollibee.
Hey guys, if you're making videos in the Philippines, this is one of the rites of passage. You have to do this. You're gonna have to talk to Jollibee. You have got to talk to Jollibee. You've got to come here. You got to do a taste test. You got to do something, or else you're not a real vlogger. If you're a real vlogger, you have got to get on a jeepney. You've got to show everybody how to ride a jeepney. It's a rite of passage, guys. Bonus points if you hang off the back. She just broke my egg.
Tulungan mo nga, Sai.
What's that do? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, guys. This is a must-do. You have to eat balut.
Go! Good.
That will never happen again.
Okay, guys, this is a big one. You have to make a budget video. Yes, and cut it down as low as you possibly can go. And you'll get more views.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Ugly Tourist here, and I'm with Ding.
Dong.
No, you're supposed to say hello.
Hello, everyone.
And today we're going to show you the differences we have in age gap relationship.
Now, you've already got a Filipino way out of your league. You've got to do an age gap relationship video. Now, this girl is obviously way out of your league, and you need to put some drama in the mix. Have your viewers question your relationship to the core with a "Am I an ATM or is she just after me for the money" video.
Coming along now. Getting bigger. One way to get 1 million views on your channel is to do a house build. And if you don't have the land in the Philippines, or if you don't have a Filipino girlfriend to get it, then just stand in front of one. Pretend it's yours.
A good many of your viewers are gonna want a
Oh,
maid.
Dean's cleaning service. She's got a cleaning service.
They might have a little bit of a fixation on a maid. So this one,
Feet on the broom. I don't
Maid
know if
with
this
benefits,
talk.
will get a bunch of views. Being a big-time vlogger doesn't come without its costs. You're gonna have to take your girlfriend or significant other or waitress to Boracay. You have to make a video in Boracay to be a real vlogger. Bonus points if she wears a bikini. Bigger vloggers than you or I have made a living down just walking up and down, back and forth on Walking Street. So, I hate to say it, you're gonna too if you want to be a vlogger in the Philippines. Walk up and down Walking Street, same thing every single day. Tip number 14 is an easy one. You can do it behind your desk or on your couch. You can do it from the USA or England or Canada or down under in Australia. You can do this anywhere. You've got to gossip about other vloggers. That's right, you will get views and clicks with drama. D-R-A-M-A, drama, drama, drama. Clicks and views, that's all you want. By the time you hit your stride, you're going to need to do a little expose on what's going on with Vitaly, the Russian vlogger that went to jail in the Philippines. Everyone else has. Okay, guys, tip number 16 was a huge one for me and busted me out. Made me one of the top vloggers in the Philippines. This one, I gave an honest, heartfelt video of being here over 1 year in the Philippines. And I'm giving you this tip, and tip number 16, make this video. Okay, guys, we're already up to number 16 tip. Number 17, 18, 19, and 20 work hand in hand with one another and can be easily interwoven into one day's work. Let's go with number 17. I'm leaving the Philippines. Number 18, you come back with your tail between your legs. I'm coming back to the Philippines. And then number 19, you get back with you're with your girlfriend and you do another reunion video. That's 19, already 19 great videos to get you started. Here's number 20. You just go over the top with how great the Philippines is. Rainbows and unicorns. It's wonderful, and everyone eats that up. It's been proven to work. We're going to go on to our bonus tips and bonus videos you're going to do to put you completely over the top, to pass everyone. Here we go. All right, guys, the best part of this video, the step-by-step guide, is you can start these videos from the safety of your mother's basement. Yeah, just use stock video. That's right, you could pretend like you're in the Philippines. I've seen people do it. Hey, you're in the ugly tourist control room. That's right, not many people get back here, but we're gonna do the super secret tips on how to make your YouTube channel or channels. I've got two, if I haven't told you yet, I've got two monetized channel or channels. On with the show, let me give you the 6, 7, or 800 bonus tips to make your channel shoot into the stratosphere. That's right, you're gonna be like Tim K or Ace Bachelor, cool. Now, I haven't done this one yet, but the pros say it's good. It'll get a lot of views. Run down to Tondo and get all the pictures you can take. Our last bonus video, where to find a good Filipina. That's always a question Gio Enrique asked, and it certainly still applies to this day. Where to find a perfect Filipina. Okay, so you've made all those videos. You've done them all, and you're still not quite there yet. I've got a few more tips for you that'll work. And this will really put you over the top. First off, collaborate with a bigger vlogger. That's right. And when you have no use for them anymore, just throw them, kick them to the curb. Kick them to the curb. And be done with them. Or better yet, pick a fight with them. Drama sells. That's actionable. Tip number 2. Drama sells, guys. Pick a fight with a bigger vlogger. Number 3. What's number 3? Yeah. Live in Dumaguete or Angeles City. The credibility will get you everywhere. And that's got to be worth at least 300 subs right there, guys. Last thing is on your thumbnails. Practice emotion. Yeah. Thumbnails sell, buddies. I've done all I can for you. It's all up to you now. Be gone, my son. Stay ugly, my friends. Have a great day, guys. Hey, guys, I'm back. If you watched this far, you can tell a lot of this video was done tongue-in-cheek. I thank you for being here. I'm going to tell you guys with the new channels or the fledgling channels that you want to get higher in ratings and all.
use some of these tips. Everyone has. I swear, if you went down this list and did most of this stuff, you probably would be monetized. Also, before you start smashing the money back guarantee button, there's no money back. You didn't pay nothing for it. So don't try to get your money back. Ugly Tourist, thanks for being here. Signing out. Stay ugly, my friends.